Hey everyone, welcome today. Today we are going to discuss about L and R sounds, how to pronounce them as a native English speaker does. So are you ready? Oh, and by the way, we got some cool tongue twisters coming up in this video as well. So please check that out. Right. So if we think of words with the L sound, can you say as many as you can in 1 minute? So like love, liquid, lotion, loose, loser. And there's many more, as I'm sure you know. What about the R sound? Rrr. Well, there's run, rat, rope, ready, ready or not, here I come. Right, so that's the L and the R sounds. So repeat after me. L, L, R, R, or R. So both the L and the R sounds are voiced sounds. So you use your voice. The L sound is made by placing the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and behind the upper front teeth. On the other hand, the R sound is produced by curling the sides of your tongue up towards the roof of your mouth. So that's how we do the L and the R sounds. So now we're going to listen to some L sounds in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the words. And we're going to look at R sounds in the beginning, the middle, and the end of words. So repeat after me. Lemon, lion, lamp, leaf, lizard, lips, look, lunch. Oh, lunch is good. Now for the middle. Oh no, we're still in the front. Bottle, puzzle, balloon. Ah, here we are in the middle. Climb. Say after me, repeat. Almond, belly, 12, golden. All right, that's good. Now, the L sound at the end of the word. Animal, pencil, novel, festival, signal, final, legal, metal, final. Did you watch the finals, the World Cup football or World Cup soccer finals? Are you happy that the team won that won? Or were you sad your team lost? Shame. All right, back to the lesson. Now, some tongue twisters with the L sound. So repeat after me. We'll do it slowly first. Luke's duck likes lakes and lilies. Good. Now let's say it fast. Luke's duck likes lakes and lilies. 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 Can you say it that fast? Maybe you can do it faster. If you can, put a comment in. Right. Number 2. Lovely Lily loves lemonade and lollipops. Lovely Lily loves lemonade and lollipops. Lovely Lily loves lemonade and lollipops. Yeah, tongue twisters. Here's a third one with the L. Okay, let's say it slowly together. Larry's little sister learned to play the lively violin. Larry's little sister learned to play the lively violin. Larry's little sister learned to play the lively violin. Larry's little sister learned to play the lively violin. Hope you got that one. Okay, now moving on. We've done the L, right? You're confident you can do the L sound. Now we're going to look at the R sound. R. R. So here we go. First word. Repeat after me. Rabbit. Robot. Rocket. Radio. Rainbow. Ribbon. Rug. Radish. Radish. Rug. Ribbon. Rainbow. Rabbit. Can you say it in the funny way like that? All right, very good. Now moving on to the R in the middle of the word. Some tricky ones coming up. First one, mirror, barrier, giraffe, tomorrow, February, journey, surprise. Surprise! Well, hope you got that all right. Now we're moving on to the R sound at the end of the word. My favorite thing to drive. Car, star, guitar, doctor, computer, sugar, soccer, theater. There we go. And so ends the R words. But now for some tongue twisters with the letter R. Are you ready? Again, we'll do it slow at first. Remember to shadow. Robbie rode his bike. No, let's start again. We're going to add another word. Robbie rode his red bicycle rapidly around the rugged road. Robbie rode his red bicycle rapidly around the rugged road. Robbie rode his red bicycle rapidly around the rugged road. Yeah, put a thumbs up if you did it. If you didn't, you can rewatch the video later and try again. Right, now for number 2. Rory's really rare ruby ring rolled right into the river. Got it? Okay, a little quicker now. Rory's really rare ruby ring rolled right into the river. Rory's really rare Rory's really rare ruby ring rolled right into the river. Okay, and the third one. Rita's rabbit ran across the rocky terrain in a hurry. Rita's rabbit ran across the rocky terrain in a hurry. Rita's rabbit ran across the rocky terrain in a hurry after eating curry. All right, so there we go. Those are some tongue twisters. Okay, but now we get words where you can, so this is the bonus round, guys and girls. This is where you can get the words with both L and R sound together. Right, are you ready? Pearl, control, travel, journal, dollar, filter, coral. Okay. Which one am I saying? Am I saying lip or rip? Lip. Am I saying look or rock? Rock. Am I saying lot or rot? Lot. Am I saying lane or rain? Lane. Am I saying lies or rise? Lies. Am I saying lie or rye? Rye. Good. Excellent. So that's it. Today you've practiced some L and R sounds, and these are some of the most difficult sounds to make in English. Way to go. Excelente. Great job. So again, if you enjoyed this live stream session, put a thumbs up and that'll be great. Excellent. See you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Yep. We are done. See you. Ciao.